Don't mind my hairstyle, it's looking bad.
It's 2018 when I first seen Saurabh Joshi art showing the very first electric eraser I have ever seen. From that point I needed to buy one for me. After that it's been so long, now more than 3 years to buy that. Actually I could get it so early itself, but I didn't because I think I'm good at prioritizing things.
I'll get into later, but now let's see the physical overview and how it works. I'm feeling like a typical mobile reviewer, but hey.
Here the eraser, we have a slim form factor in Brustro rather than a beefy thing in Devon, but still, Devon have a very good electric eraser. Coming to the point, it's having a slim form factor and we have a button over here so we can reach it easily, and it feels a bit tough. So it could not be accidentally pressed. At the same time, sometimes it feels a bit harder to push, but I think it's fine. It's been powered by 2 AAA batteries, and if we have a rechargeable ones, it's good. But pretty much we all don't have one like that, so it's an additional cost. It comes with a lot of refills and with an additional holder which can hold much slimmer eraser tape for precision, which those refills also added in the pack itself.
That's nice to have.
Now, does it worth the money to buy it? Let's find out.
Each and every product is being decided, does it worth or not by
the utility it's giving. It means the satisfaction measured which you got from the product in economic terms. Here, it costs nearly 400 rupees, that means $5.40 and something.
If you ask me how it feels and how it works, it feels like a marker and it's very slim form factor as compared to any other battery erasers I have ever seen. And it also built with a pretty good materials, not the best one out there, but still, it's been built with a pretty good material, so it will last a bit longer. And at the same time, it comes with 2 types of eraser holders, so you can use 2 erasers a bit more precisely. There is only very specific type of uses for these type of electric erasers. Let me show you.
You can use this eraser when you need to erase a part completely. That's what it does. You can create strong highlights with this rather than using a white gel pen or an acrylic marker at that area. But still, it's not precise as a gel pen but does the same thing. That's great. But if you want a soft highlight and trying to use this over there,
oops, you got erased everything out of the paper, so it's not for that. This takes us to prioritizing things. Let me share you the order which I bought the erasers. I think that's the best hierarchy to buy them.
You should get a normal eraser first, probably as you already did, and then a kneaded eraser. If you haven't tried a kneaded eraser, you're probably missing a big thing. Then a precision eraser like a mono zero eraser and a mechanical eraser, and at last electric eraser.
Than the basic eraser, each and every other eraser have specific type of uses for it. But according to the usage, battery eraser comes in the last. Now, does it a must-have thing?
Definitely not, but good to have one to save some time when you need
to scrape off everything from the paper. It does the same thing as the normal eraser does, but in a more easy way.
As far as the question, does it worth it? Yes, of course.
But it also comes with, what is your thing? If you have all the things in the hierarchy, I suggest you to go for this. It is damn worth it, you can have fun with it. But if you don't have even a single thing in the hierarchy, I suggest you to get it first and then this battery eraser. An exception, if you have tons of money to play with, go buy this and enjoy. So the conclusion is, does it worth it? Yes, of course, you can buy it if you want. So that's it for this video, my friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support my work. And you can watch some of my videos right here, and see you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.